Yes, as you know, we have insurance for each and everything. Similarly, cargo also has insurance which guarantees compensation if any accidents or damages happen. But this is for unexpected accidents. If damages are made purposefully, like not doing proper packaging and moving goods during wartime and overloading trucks, this won't cover under this insurance. Now let's see how this insurance is calculated. Payment made by the policy holder is known as premium amount. This insurance rate is mostly collected from 0.5% to 2%, and this will vary based on type, size of goods and destination. The insurance amount is calculated only with the value of goods and transportation charges are not involved in this. The policy typically covers the value of goods along with an additional 10% of goods value. If the goods are at the warehouse, the risk is bit low, but when the goods are in transit, the risk is high. So it will be better to take insurance. If goods value is high and transportation charges are less than the goods value, then taking insurance will be better option to secure the high value goods. Recently, there was an accident where an LPG gas burst and damaged nearby vehicles. Accidents may or may not happen, so it's always safer to insure your valuable items. There are 4 types of cargo insurance which you can opt for: single voyage policy, annual policy, open cover policy, and storage coverage extension. Single voyage policy is for single trip and its validity ends as soon as the goods are delivered. The premium amount is collected at the beginning of the policy, and here renewal is not possible. Next is annual policy, which covers the goods movement happening throughout the year. The premium amount is paid in advance for the whole year. Open cover policy, which is also like annual policy, but here the premium amount is calculated and paid periodically based on the size of the goods and distance. At last is the storage coverage extension policy. This is for those goods which are stored in warehouse. The period for this is usually 30 to 60 days. There is also option to extend the policy. Recently, it happened that a shipper has to move his goods from Chennai to Guntur as a round trip. His total goods value was 11,80,000 including GST, and his transportation charges were around 40k. As his goods were related to medical equipments, he paid around 5,900 as an insurance amount. So here, his 11,80,000 goods were covered under a small amount. So it's better to take insurance to avoid risks. So if you haven't insured yet, start now.